Hello, everybody. This is Trap Trader from London, 2024, 24th of May. And today is Friday. And I decided to do a little bit of video about what just happened yesterday. So we're looking at the US. And we've been kind of, ranging here in this for a couple of days, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22 of May. Market was waiting for data. Been kind of ranging from 350, 305 pretty much. The interesting part is that I have noticed that on RTH, you look at RTH, we had this high at 49, and then we came on Monday. We didn't take that high, just 1 point away from it. Then we had another day, and then we made this low, right? Then we had another day, Tuesday. Again, we didn't take that high, just 3/4 of a point below. I even have this note. Then we dropped, and again, we didn't take that low, 3/4 of a point. Just above the low. So market engineered liquidity on both sides, and that was just worrying me. This whole thing was worrying me. Like, why are we not taking that to go higher? And every single time they create this kind of situation, when we are actually trading inside the range, we don't poke any levels. That I'm kind of worried about. Like, okay, so what's gonna happen now? And that's pretty much a turtle soup setup. When you look at this right now, it's ICT Turtle Soup. What just happened? So if I switch to, I don't even have to switch to overnight, but let's just switch to overnight just to see this properly. So we had the news, Nvidia news was here on Wednesday after close, and we pumped it up into 62, and then a London session we went to 67. And pretty much everybody was hyped. We're gonna get a pullback to close the gap, and then we're gonna rocket into all-time highs. Because of this little thing here, just want to pay attention to this little thing here, that we did not take that low, meaning we didn't take the liquidity from the bottom of the range, of the 5 days range. We didn't take that liquidity down here. Just make a note of that thing. You have to think the market should go and grab that. Obviously, you never know how long it's gonna take, We might just go up and up and up, and then maybe one day coming down. But they decided different. When market opened, this is the opening price here, 57, 357. We basically sold, and we were selling. Okay, we did bounce off this kind of, this kind of congestion here. We had some congestion order block, any way you want to call it. That was a bullish order block here. Let's just put this bullish order block here. All right. By the way, how to spot bullish or bearish order blocks? You can just look at the volume profile as well, and you will see if you have a little bit of volume here, that's your order block. Pretty much. I mean, more than usual places. That's your order block. Look at this. Here's the order block as well. Here's the order. We have a reaction of it. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk. So we did sell here. We bounce. By the way, this is 15 minutes chart. We did bounce of it. That Fibonacci from here. We tapped into this fair value gap, the bearish one, and then we were just selling for the rest of the day. But a very important thing is, this is where we entered that low on, we grabbed that liquidity. So in Turtle Soup, usually use it for Asia, London session, and New York. But on these 5 days, you basically had exactly the same setup. They left this bit, we pushed higher, we took the high, buy side liquidity, and then we dropped. And you know, the thing is, like, Nvidia earnings. Nvidia breached $1,000. We went higher, 20, I think. I don't remember exactly how far we went, but we did push off 1,020 something. And you know, everybody was hyped. Nvidia was going up all day, and market was just selling. That's just nasty, nasty behavior. Market makers, you know, whoever is in control of this market, they decided to pull the market down and grab that. So this whole thing was planned. We did drop. We covered the gap. That's the gap from Tuesday 14 till Wednesday. So we covered the gap. We bounced off that gap, and at the moment, we are slowly grinding higher. So that's a turtle soup situation, right? On a bigger scale. ICT Turtle Soup. I don't know why he called it like that, but yeah. Name is a name. See, they didn't take that low here. They left it. Very important thing. And obviously, you're not going to look for this kind of things on Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is not trading so precise as ES. Let's just look at those highs. They didn't take the highs. Forget about what happened during the electronic. It's just not the same thing, you know. Electronic is not the same thing. Just watch what happens on RTH. They didn't take it, and they didn't take the low. They didn't take the high, they didn't take the low. We got the data, market pushed higher. Then they sold whatever they had here. They sold into this buy side. We dropped. They loaded shorts in this area here. I was watching in Bookmap. There's a lot of liquidity here, loading up the shorts. They covered into this area and into this gap, and just below. They just pulled it below. So what can we expect today? Well, look at that volume here. This is order block. I'm gonna drop Fibonacci. What's the optimum entry? Trade entry, right? Optimum trade entry is 0.705, which is exactly where the order block is. That's the order block. That's the bearish order block here. Price can climb into this order block. Believe it or not, you might think like, nah, we're just gonna go. Yeah, price can just go up here, even top, and take this high. Just gonna switch this to blue. Blue is the basically to take all the shorts out, and then we can collapse. So that's what I'm expecting today. I'm expecting kind of you know, retracement, the price going up a little bit. We'll go maybe like that. And I don't know what we're gonna do after this. If we're gonna collapse, we should collapse. Just change this into green. we should collapse after that. And you know, just drop somewhere. Something like this. I mean, that would be ideal. It doesn't mean it needs to happen today, but that will be your optimum entry point here. So your bearish order block. Our order block is up here, the whole thing. We could push through this and drop after that. Why do I think that? I think market is gonna go lower. I think we're gonna be selling a little bit, maybe next week. You got this saying, sell in May and go away, right? You got still a couple of days to trade. Next week is the end of the month, the end of May, and we might go down. Okay, guys, that's my thoughts about yesterday action, and I will trade today. See what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be looking for longs into this area first, and then we'll see if I'm gonna get a short or not. I might not be trading later in the day, but at the moment I'm thinking we should go higher. So take care. Don't get trapped like I got trapped yesterday. This fucking drop. I was basically buying this return to this range. I just basically bought that thing. Then I tried again, made some money here, but basically it was a losing day. All right. See you at 2:30. Bye.